Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rocket Cellini espresso machine, and let's just go ahead and purge the boiler since this is a heat exchanger. Looks good. And then let's go ahead and make a shot. See, we have a nice shot of espresso with good pressure and good crema. Let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. Test the hot water. Hot water works well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.